Good morning, Anna. So the today topic is DD-based failure on gear. Okay. First, what is DD? DD means is a design thinking. Is a problem solving technique. Okay. It's having 5 stages. Can anyone tell the 5 stages of design thinking?
So the 5 stages of design thinking starts with empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So let me give you an introduction about every 5 stages. First, empathy. Empathy means what are the problems of any state from 2-3 problems we can take. In define, taking the major problem of that empathy. Then ideate, we have to take an idea how to solve that problem statement. Then prototype, we have to make MVP or any kind of prototype for that problem statement. Model for that problem statement and idea. And last, we have to test that prototype.
So testing is the final stage of the can you say what is gear and the gear applications or gear types?
Sir, so what you get basically is a gear is a rotating machine element which has a number of teeth which is cut on its surface. So based on its application, the amount of teeth differs. So for a certain application, the amount of teeth needed is differs.
Okay.
So the main motive of the gear is to transmit power between 2 shafts. So to connect one shaft and the another with using 2 gears. So what a gear usually does is a gear connects another gear in which the rotational motion is transferred smoothly, like without slipping. So like if you want a higher amount of torque, one gear is connected with another gear which has a higher amount of teeth. So when we want, speed is the major need here. Maybe one gear is connected with another gear in which the number of teeth are very low. So based on the number of teeth, the torque and speed differs.
Okay, good cannot. Can you understand the applications of the?
So let me tell you about the application of gears. So majorly it is used in the automotive industries where the engine and motor are connected with gears. So we can adjust the speed and torque. So and in differential gear, when we are rotating the steering, the differential gear would come into play and we can shift it with it. So and the second application is clocks. Majorly in clocks, gears are used.
So these are the major applications.
Major application.
My main empathy is the gear failure. What is the reason for failure?
I will say the top 5 most common failures in the gear, sir. First one is bending fatigue failure. So repeated bending stress in the gear leads to the endurance failure. So this is the first reason. And second reason is the surface fatigue failure. So in this gears, 2 materials are in contact with each other. So due to this, there is a surface fatigue failure. And third one is due to the plastic deformation. So giving the stress beyond the limit of the designed capacity leads to the permanent plastic deformation. And third one is due to the misalignment. So improper alignment in this gear leads to the alignment failure. And final one is the lubrication. So in the gears, we need to give the proper lubrication to both the gears. So if the proper lubrication is given, the gear will be smooth, and if the lubrication is not provided, it will be the major cause of the failure and the efficiency will be low.
Okay, very good conversation. You told already 5 points. Okay. How to remedies avoid the failure?
Remedies about to reduce the gear failure means it's like to improve designs, like a gear design. We need to check the models of gear designs when they need to ensure the correct lubrications with the proper viscosity. We need to check, yes sir, we need to check the viscosity level in a gear shaft. It will help us to reduce the gear failure, sir. Then we need to inspect and have a look on about the heat resistance overloading in a gear shafts. It will reduce at once in a time. We need to change the damaged gear shafts to reduce the failures in a gear shafts. This will help us to reduce the gear.
Gear failures. To avoid the gear failures. Can you consolidate all the points? What is gear and also failure and also remedies?
I would like to conclude all this gear failure, sir. As gear failure is one of the major issues in the mechanical system, sir. So it leads directly to the behavior and safety of the machinery. And the major reasons of this gear failure is fatigue failure, improper material usage or improper material selection and lubrication, and many other reasons, sir. If we understand the actual remedies, we can use it and improve the gear life of the gear failures and like improve the gear life, sir. So this is how I would like to conclude this gear failure and its remedies, sir.
So these are the points are to remedies for the gear failures.